So guys, next method, scan sfc scan, how to run it your system. So this is command I will give in descriptions. So click to start and type run cmd and just right click to run as administrator, then click to yes. Then you can see this is 4 command, and if it is, do not copy paste from YouTube description, so you have to enter manually one by one. Okay, so please note which is small and capital and all. First is start. Then guys, second one, which is check health. Okay, DSM online check health, and you can copy. If it is not happening, so you have to enter the manual. Okay, like that, DSM space less online, and then hit enter. Okay, second one command. So it is completed. Then next, third one, scan health, you can see, and then again hit enter. Now you can see here it will start automatically percentage, and wait few seconds, it will complete. Then last, restore health. Then guys, fourth one, which is restore health, you can see here we can enter like DMS and all, and please note small and capital. Okay, restore point, restore health, and then hit enter. Again guys, you have to wait. Okay, some start the percentage, it will complete. After that you can see here